Hi, I teach the 6th grade language arts, and here is my Canvas course here. Today I'm going to talk about the quiz I made as my summative assessment. I worked really hard this year on creating all different types of assessments that met the PA course standard, that were rigorous, that implemented and reflected the PSSA standards. This has really improved my teaching, and my benchmark testing has been used to show that. So. Here is my quiz that I created, and it is my Unit 5 assessment. I used it, or Unit 4. I used it in the new quizzes tool here. As you can see, you plug in your points and the name of it when it's due. Down here is where I have my rubric for the students to know what they need on their TDA, text dependent analysis writing. So I added this rubric right to my quiz here for them to see. So to preview this quiz, well, I'll show you how I build it. Here's my directions, here's my titles. My quiz questions are multiple choice. The first 4 are just basic comprehension. 5 through 10, they have to read a text that is a cold read that they never read before, and they have to be able to answer the questions. So like, what's the best argument? Which sentence is considered an opinion, using evidence to support it, hooks the reader, grabs the reader's attention, and then for vocabulary and the text structure. So all these are important questions because they're cold reading a prompt, a text actually that's informational, and then they have to go back and analyze these answers. Then they have to use the same text to answer and create a text-dependent analysis. So they're answering the question based off of this prompt, and they are typing their response in the box. To do this, I have the question here where I added it to my bank here of questions, because that way I can go through in the previous years. I save all my TDAs and keep reapplying them to my questions because I spiral teach all my content. So here's the question above. I'm going to use the Rich Content Editor. I don't have spell check because I want students to make sure that they are spelling things correctly on their own. I have this aligned to the TDA standard for the PSSAs, and it is doing decaying mastery, so therefore it's going by percent. And we want the students to at least earn a 3 to show that mastery here. So that is applied here for my question to see what it looks like for the students. Okay, so here's what it looks for the students. They will have the article on their desk on paper, and they will be going through the questions, answering multiple choice, typing their answer in the box, and then submitting the question. And once they submit it, it will take them to show them if they mastered the content area. To align these to the standards is very important because it helps them understand what they're actually learning and how they're mastering the content. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye-bye.